Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send WhatsApp message on Wix form submission via Wati. So here I'm running my travel agency, and now what I want is that I have already added my Wix form on my website, and now any customer who is interested in my travel packages or who have any inquiry can fill out that form, and I'm going to get that detail from my Wix form submission. Now as I'm going to get that form submission, then automatically I want to send a personalized message on WhatsApp to that customer, and here I'm going to use Wati for sending the message on WhatsApp. So here for my objective, I have to build a connection between Wix form and Wati. Now for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new form submission from Wix, then automatically I'm going to send a WhatsApp message by using Wati. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send WhatsApp message on Wix form submission via Wati. So here my objective is to automate the process of sending a WhatsApp message to users who submit a form on my Wix website, and I'm going to do this by using Wati for WhatsApp Business API and with the integration that is managed by Pabbly Connect. So imagine I run a travel agency and I offer various travel packages, and customers can inquire about these packages by filling out my form on my Wix website. To enhance customer engagement, I want to automatically send a personalized WhatsApp message to each user as soon as they submit the form, and thanking them for their inquiry and providing them with more details about the package. But the problem here is manually sending WhatsApp messages to each user after they submit the form is inefficient, and especially as the number of inquiries increases. So an automated system ensures immediate communication, leading to better customer satisfaction and quicker response. So by using Pabbly Connect, I can create an automated workflow that triggers when a user submits a form on my Wix website. This workflow will automatically send a personalized WhatsApp message to the users through Wati. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my Wix form with Wati, and now as soon as I'm going to receive a new form submission through my Wix form, then automatically I will send a personalized message by using Wati on WhatsApp. So for building this connection, I need to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab, and I'm going to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, I have two options: sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp message on Wix form submission via Wati. And now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So we need to first set up our trigger, and here my trigger application is going to be Wix form. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Wix forms here. Now I need to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new form submission will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect Wix forms with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Wix forms and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now I need to take you to my Wix account, and here in Wix account I need to scroll down, and I need to go to automations, and here in automations I need to create a new automation, so I'm going to click on this new automation button. Now I'm going to create this from scratch, so I'm going to select this option of start from scratch, Now here I'm going to first give a name to my automation. So I'm going to clear this default name and I'm going to name it as Wix and Wati automation. And now I need to first select my trigger, and in trigger I'm going to select Wix forms. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to select this option of which forms triggers this option. So I'm going to open this tab, and if I want to select any specific form, then I can select this option of specific, but I only have one form in my Wix account, so I'm going to select any here. But if you want to use any specific form, then you can select that option. Now I need to scroll down, and here I need to select my action. So in my action, I need to select this option of send via webhook. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to give my target URL. So here in this tab, I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have filled all the required details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate this automation. So I'm going to click on activate. And here my new automation is now active. So I have successfully created this automation and I have connected Wix forms with Pabbly Connect. Now I need to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? So for that, I need to first make a form submission in my Wix form, and I have added that form on my Wix website. So I'm going to first take you to my form. So here, this is my Wix form. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details here. And here I have all these options like first name, last name, email, phone number, and the city you want to travel. So here I need to fill all these details here. So here the first name will be demo, last name will be user, email will be demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give the phone number and the WhatsApp number of my user. So here I have added the WhatsApp number of my customer. And now I need to give the city that my customer want to travel or want to inquire the package about. So here I'm going to add Goa, and here I have added my city that my customer want to travel. Now I'm going to click on submit. And here I have created this form submission. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all these details of my form submission. So my form name was contact. I have received the city that my customer want to travel, that is Goa. I have received the random phone number of my customer. Email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I have the first name, that is demo, and the last name, that is user. So here I have received all these details of my inquiry from my form submission, and I have received all the detail of my customer. Now what I need to do is I need to send a personalized message on WhatsApp to my customer, and I want to thank them about their new inquiry, and I want to send more information about my company and the package. So for sending the message on WhatsApp, what I need to do is I need to use Wati, and I need to add that in my actions tab. So for that, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Wati. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Wati here. Now I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Wati with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Wati with Pabbly Connect, I need to give my API endpoint and the access token. So for getting these details, I need to first log into my Wati account. And in my Wati account, I need to go to API docs, where I will find my API endpoint and the access token. So for getting these details, I need to take you to Wati. And now in Wati, I need to go to API docs. And here in API docs, I have these details of access token and the API endpoint. So I'm going to copy these details and I'm going to paste them in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do the same. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have added those details. Now I'm going to click on save. And here I have connected Wati with Pabbly Connect. Now here first, what I need to do is I need to give the WhatsApp number. And here what I need to do is I need to use the WhatsApp number of my customer that I have received from my form submission of Wix form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that response from my trigger response, and I'm going to map that detail here in this tab. So for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of Wix forms, and here this is the phone number of my customer. So I'm going to map this. But here I have one problem, that in this phone number, I am receiving this plus sign with the country code. But for giving the WhatsApp number, I don't want this plus sign. I need to exclude this plus sign from this WhatsApp number. So for excluding this plus sign, what I need to do is I need to add one more action step between Wix Forms and Wati step. So I'm going to add that action step here. And here I need to use text formatter by Pabbly. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select text formatter by Pabbly here. Now I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab and I need to use this action event of split text. So I'm going to select that and I need to click on connect. Now by using text formatter by Pabbly, I'm going to split the plus sign from my WhatsApp number of my customer and I'm going to get the required number that I want. So I need to first give the text to split. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Wix Forms and here this is the customer phone number. So I'm going to map this and now I need to give my separator. So here in the separator, I'm going to use the plus sign. And now by using the separator, I'm going to split my phone number and the plus sign from my customer's WhatsApp number. Now what I need to do is I need to give my segment index. So I'm going to open this tab and here I'm going to select all. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have splitted the phone number of my customer and here I have excluded the plus sign. Now I'm going to use this phone number and I'm going to map that in my Wati tab. So I'm going to again open this tab of Wati and now I'm going to clear this. And I'm going to map the WhatsApp number from my responsive text formatter and I'm going to map the phone number. Now here this is my WhatsApp number without the plus sign and now I'm going to select my template. So here I need to first create a template in my Wati account and I need to use that template for sending the WhatsApp messages to my customers. So for the template, I need to take you to Wati. I need to go to templates. And here in templates, you can create new template by clicking on this new template message button. And after clicking here, you need to customize the message that you want to send to your users, customer or your leads. And after customizing the message, you need to take the approval of your template from Wati. So I have already created this template that is tour and travels. And here I have taken the approval of this template. So I'm going to use this template. So I'm going to show you this. And here this is my template. And in this template, I have added the variables of name and the city. So here with this message, I'm going to add the name of my customer who has inquired and filled my Wix form. And I'm going to add the city for which he has generated the inquiry for. So in the place of these variables, the detail that I'm going to receive from my Wix form submission is going to get replaced and I'm going to send the new messages all the time to my new form submission. So here this is going to be my message and now I'm going to use this template for sending the message and here I have this broadcast title of none. Now for sending the WhatsApp message, I need to take you to Pabbly Connect and here first I need to select my template. So I'm going to open this tab and here I will find all the templates that I have in my Wati account. And here I'm going to use this template of tour and travels. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to give my broadcast name. So I had my broadcast title as none. So I'm going to type that. And now I need to give my custom params. So here in custom params, what I need to do is I need to give the parameter of my variables. And in my message, I have two variables. So for giving the values of my variable, I need to use this format. And for giving the values of multiple variables, I need to use comma. So for giving my variable, I need to use this format of curly brackets. So I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to first give the value of my first variable, which is of name. So I'm going to paste that here. And the name of my variable was name. So I'm going to type that here. And now for the value, I'm going to clear this blue. So here in the value, I'm going to map the name of my customer who has generated the inquiry. So I'm going to open this Wix Forms. And here this is the first name of my customer. So I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. So here this is going to be my first variable and similarly I have to give the value for the second variable which is of city. So I'm going to give a comma and again I'm going to use this curly bracket format and I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to give the name of my variable. So I'm going to clear this company and the name of my variable was city. So I'm going to type that and in the value I'm going to clear MB. And I'm going to give the name of the city. So I'm going to open this Wix Forms. And here this is my city, that is Goa. So I'm going to map this. And now I have mapped all the required details. So as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response of a customer from my Wix form submission, then automatically all these details that I mapped here are going to get replaced with a new detail in the real time. And I'm going to send WhatsApp messages to the new customer who has generated the form submission. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a WhatsApp message automatically to my customer who has generated my form submission. So to check this, let me open WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this message. So I'm going to open this. And here the message says, "Hi demo user." So this was the name of my customer. "Thank you for inquiring about our travel packages for Goa." So this was the city that my customer has filled in my form. "Our team is thrilled to assist you in planning your dream vacation. We will get back to you shortly with all the details. In the meantime, feel free to check out more about our packages on our website. Safe travels. Best regards, tour and travel team." So here we can see I have successfully sent this message, and this was the message that I had in my template in Wati. And by using Wati, I have sent this message on WhatsApp to the customer who has filled my form that I have added on my website. So automatically, as I have received a new inquiry from my Wix form, then I have sent a message on WhatsApp to that customer who has inquired by filling out my Wix form. So here I have done this by setting up this automation between Wix form and Wati, and I have created this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now as I'm going to receive a new form submission from Wix form, then automatically I will send a WhatsApp message, and that message will be personalized, and I'm going to send that to my customer who is going to fill my Wix form. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have created this connection between Wix forms and Wati to automatically send WhatsApp message on Wix form submission via Wati. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Wix forms, and my trigger event was new form submission. Then I have set up an action step, and first I have used text formatter by Pabbly to split the text to get the WhatsApp number of my customer in a particular format. And in the last I have used Wati, and here by using Wati I have sent a template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.